So this is the last part. So this is the last part or the part 3 of me unboxing the Hirono, the Mall, and the Skull Panda. So, of course, the Skull Panda, Mirage. Actually, wala na akong pake kung ano makuha kasi lahat talaga maganda. Like, look. Nakita ko na! Pero yung red... Nakita ko na siya! So, I got... una talaga siyang pinapakita, guys. Like, nakaganto. So, I got the Skeleton Fantasy Show. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko. Look at the packaging. Oh. Slay! Look guys, look what I got! Look what I got! So, ina-explore ko muna siya kasi I don't know paano ba to. Kasi this is my first Mirage, you guys. Ayun! I can display it like this, or like this. Oh my god. Look! Oh my god.